Hey, check it out, we have the newest dehumidifier addition to the IAQ Pro fleet, the Apex 90-litre dehumidifier. This low-grain refrigerant dehumidifier is the big brother to our popular Midas 70-litre dehumidifier, and its difference is most apparent in its name and size. This dehumidifier is rated to remove up to 20 litres more of water per day and cover a little bit more ground with a coverage of 18 cubic meters per minute versus the Midas's 12 cubic meters. It also weighs more at 42 kilos, so be sure to use correct procedure when lifting it into a vehicle. And in case you're wondering, this unit uses approximately 3.5 amps. Most importantly, all our dehumidifiers including the Apex are equipped with R290 refrigerants, which are more environmentally friendly, energy and cost efficient. Recent legislation changes in federal law are restricting refrigerants such as the R410A, which dominates the dehumidifier market because of the high global warming potential ratings, unlike our R290 refrigerants. So get ahead of the curve and get yourself the Apex 90-litre. You'll be able to easily set the machine settings with the digital LED display. This unit utilizes RH and temperature sensors and can set the humidity level in the room. This unit uses an automatic water pump out function, but it can be manually done so by pressing the P button. This unit is easy to pack up with quick disconnect couplings and a place to tie your power cord and drainage hose. Just like the Midas, this unit is also compatible with ducting for target drying. We really recommend you give the Apex 90-litre dehumidifier a go by having at least one in your fleet. You can find the Apex Dehum on our website, and if you have any questions, please feel free to contact us through our website, on the phone, or in the showroom. Keep safe, guys.